Hey everybody, welcome back to Kilo Sports Cards Box Breaks. I have another box opening for you tonight, and it is the Rookie Explosion baseball box. This is put out by Philmington, if you're not familiar with it, and they do have, or he does have, 2 levels of baseball and a football. I'll go over this literature in just a second. It's kind of hard to get the subscriptions if you are interested in a subscription, but he does put a one-time purchase on Twitter every beginning of the month, and so you would have the opportunity to get a box if you can't get a subscription, which most of the time you gotta wait for somebody to cancel, because people don't usually cancel very often with this box, but it does happen. Alright, so here's the literature, here's the website if you do decide to, there's the website and the Twitter handle if you want to check them out. As you can see, there's some pretty good packs that he puts in here. Get chances for some of these older rookies too, which that's what I like. So I kind of took a break in between, when was it, 2000? It was in the early 2000s. I took a break and just kind of started getting back into all the sports just a few years ago. So a lot of these years I haven't opened, especially for baseball. All right, so it also tells you which rookies to look for in each of these. I know most of them except for 2013. So 2013 we're looking for Correa, Matt Olson, Byron Buxton, Manny Machado, and Giolito. And then 2019 Heritage Minor, we're looking for J-Rod and Wander in that one. And then I think you guys pretty much know who we're looking for in the rest of them, because they're all the newer years. Okay, so here we go. We got a 2022 Series 2. Here's the 2012. Oh, is this an extra pack? Oh yeah, sometimes there's extra packs in here too. There's a 1 in 6 chance of a special bonus pack, so I did get a special bonus pack of 2012 Heritage. That's cool. God, I haven't opened any 2012, I don't think. Here's the Bowman Draft. Is this Bowman Draft, I think? No, this is Bowman. What is this, 2019? Where's the year? Oh, 2013. This is the 2013 Bowman Jumbo. Oh, duh, it's the Jumbo. Okay, 2013 Bowman Jumbo. So we'll just go kind of in order here. Here's the 2019 Minor League. 2020 Bowman Chrome. 2021 Topps Chrome, I think this is. I think. Oh yeah, no, 2020. Okay, so this is the retail pack, 2020 Topps Chrome Retail. And then 2022 Bowman Hobby. All right, so we'll just do it like this. Okay. All right, starting off with 2012 Heritage. So I'm not sure who is in here, and it's not listed since this is a bonus pack. So I guess we will find out. All right, we start off with Brandon Phillips, Santiago Casilla, Darwin Barney. Rookie stars of Brad Peacock, Devin Masaraco, Joe Savory, and Justin DeFrutis. We got Lance Lynn, Jed Lowry. We got a Adrian Beltre mini. I guess it's a sticker mini. Charlie Manuel and Javi Guerra. So I'm not even sure what the high number is in here. Probably 400, maybe? Not sure. I guess he will let me know in the comments, or I will have to look it up, I guess, because there's a few over 300, so it's not 300. So it must be 400 is the high number. All right, so we got a mini. Don't think there was anything amazing in there. All right, Bowman Jumbo. This is the 2013, so Correa, Matt Olson, Buxton, Manny Machado, and Giolito. I wouldn't mind getting a Manny Machado. All right, so we got Todd Frazier, Marco Scutaro, Jose Altuve, he looks young, Aroldis Chapman, Brian McCann, Michael Bourne, Ryan Howard, Jose Ramirez. I'm going to go a little fast through these just because they're mostly just base bets. Danny Munoz, Tony Renda, Mark Montgomery, Ronnie Freeman. Oh, some of these are prospects. Which ones are bets? Which ones are prospects? Okay, so I'll have to look and see which ones are. And some of these are, I think it's all prospects coming up now. Yeah, the gray ones. Okay, so the ones that are, do they look different on the front? Oh yeah, so the ones that have these triangles are the prospects. Okay, all right, I got it now. Victor Sanchez, Erickson Leonora, Pedro Guerra, and a gold is going to be Josh Johnson. That one's not numbered. I guess we'll go there. Okay, and then we got Prospect Challenge, just like a code card that is pretty much expired. And then we got Ismael Goyan. Ooh, Albert Pujols red. That's cool. All right, Albert Pujols out of, that's out of 25. Sweet. Hunter Morris, little mini refractor for the Braves. I'm not sure about some of these. Oh, there's Lucas Giolito. Is that, oh yeah, here we go. Is that a prospect, I guess? It's a chrome, cool. Corey Dickerson, all these guys I know. Gregory Polanco, Rio Ruiz, and Jonathan Griffin. Cool, those are some good chromes to get. These are all prospects. Yeah, so Giolito's a prospect. And then here back to paper, we got Vance Worley, Craig Kimbrell, and these are back to being vets. Derek Holland, Homer Bailey, Kevin Youkilis, Alfonso Soriano, and Jason Kipnis. All right, so that was a fun pack. Pretty cool. I can sleeve up Gregory Polanco too. That's kind of a good one, I think. Not too great with prospects, but Albert Pujols was good timing, that's for sure. And Lucas Giolito. I might have to put this one in a top loader. Have his rookie card top loaders though. Oh no, here's one. Nice Pujols 25. Perfect timing. Go. All right. And then we got 2019 Minor League. Alright, so this one we're looking for J-Rod and Wander. Got Bruzdar, Moises Gomez, Brent Rooker, Melvin Adone, Andres Jimenez, Grayson Rodriguez. There's a Wander, not a base, but Gage Canning. So not too bad. I think I've pulled this one before. Nope, I got to get my stands out. Go. All right, 2020 Topps Chrome. Actually like this new setup. It's working out pretty well. All right, we got a Jordan rookie. That's nice. Carlos Santana. I got these all. Oh, I know why. Okay, there we go. I usually keep my Heritage and Bowman all together because I put the sets together for those. All right, Noah Syndergaard and Ronald Acuna is our refractor. I guess we can put Jordan on the stand. Been a while since we've been up there. He's still stand worthy, I think. Okay, 2020 Moment Chrome. Jesus Luzardo. Looks like we got a purple shimmer. Seth Brown. Luis Garcia. That is out of, oh, I guess it's not numbered. That must be like the, is this one retail? Okay. No, it was hobby. I guess it's just an unnumbered parallel. Luis Garcia. I don't see a number anyway. Nope. It's a nice color one though. Kelnick and Seth Curry. Or Corey. Seth Corey. Oh, these little minis are... Oops. There we go. Let's not block Pujols. Let's get Pujols. Okay, we got Bowman 2022. Got Jonathan India, Bryce Harper, Tatis, George Springer. Henry Davis is our High Five Futures. Shaylin Polanco. Yoswar Garcia. Chromes are going to be Acuna. And Marco Luciano. So nothing too great in there. Alright, last pack. 2022 Series 2. Let's do it for some last pack magic. Okay, we got Steven Piscotty, Greg Diekman, Jock Peterson, Frankie Montes, Jansen Junk. I bet he had all kinds of, heard all kinds of stuff growing up in school. Marcus Simeon, Cody Bellinger, Carter Kieboom, Lewin Diaz, George Springer's our throwback, Gavin Lux. Is that just a regular Gavin Lux? Yep, must have been Gavin Lux. I guess that's all we got was that one insert. Josh Bell, Benintendi, and Alejandro Kirk. All right, so that is it. Let's do a little bit of a recap here. So we got a Luis Garcia purple shimmer, or purple, is that a shimmer? Yeah, that's a shimmer. It's not a wave, I don't think. I think that's a shimmer. Okay, then we got a Jordan Rookie, Tata Tops Chrome. We got a Wander, Lucas Giolito and Gregory Polanco Prospects, and the big hit, Albert Pujols out of 25. Pretty sweet, and it's a nice color match for the Angels too. Pretty cool. All right, that is it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to smash that like button if you want to see more videos, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good night. Bye.